At today's press conference, health officials told us that the number of COVID cases haven't gone up that much. But I talked to one union rep for some of the workers in those jails, and he painted a different picture.
So the number of cases at the jails have increased slightly, but it is a small increase. So it is not an overwhelming number.
San Diego County Public Health Officer Dr. Wilma Wooten says the cases in the county jail system are manageable and that inmates are being isolated and treated if they test positive for coronavirus. The county sheriff's department reported a total of 275 people in 7 facilities, including staff and inmates, have tested positive as of November 30th, and 90 inmates are being quarantined. And now the union that represents the workers is saying the county isn't doing enough to protect them.
One of the things we are asking of the sheriff is to be more transparent and let us know when there are exposures in the areas where our folks work.
Garcia says there have been at least 36 staff members to test positive, and one counselor at the Las Colinas Women's Jail died last month from coronavirus.
I think there just need to be more staff, more PPEs, and a real assessment of how to prevent exposure by preventing the movement of, the detainees.
On November 20th, the sheriff's department announced it would suspend all in-person visitation at the jails after multiple COVID-19 outbreaks. Still, the number of cases continue to go up.
The cases that are being seen are managed. There are locations for the individuals to be isolated as well as those exposed to be quarantined.
Public health officials did not address whether or not inmates would be given a vaccine at Wednesday's press briefing. We also reached out to the sheriff's department, who told us to take a look at some information that they already released, and they also told us to take a look at the COVID safety guidelines on their website. LaMonica Peters, News 8.